Welcome to today's TLDR on crypto news, where I give you a quick rundown of the top 10 crypto news stories from the past 24 hours so you don't have to waste your time reading it yourself. For those who want to read the full articles, I will leave a link to each article in the description. Each story is broken down into key takeaways and what we might expect next. I'm going to break down each story into simple to understand lingo for the everyday retail investor who doesn't care about the fluff. Let's start with CNBC.com. Bitcoin hits new all-time high above $94,000 amid election optimism. The key takeaways? Welcome to the hype train. Bitcoin's price has gone through the roof, topping $94,000 because a lot of people are hopeful about Trump's win, thinking he'll be nice to crypto. Big money, big companies, and big investors are jumping on board, especially after some big financial firms started offering Bitcoin products, like those ETFs everyone's talking about. What can we expect next? Although most are expecting less volatility, the market is currently still on a price roller coaster, and everyone's watching to see if this price hike can stick around or if it'll come crashing down soon. With Trump in office again, folks expect less strict rules on crypto, which could mean more good times for Bitcoin. I heard Kevin O'Leary say that he believes Bitcoin could potentially hit $100,000 by the end of this year. Next, let's look at CoinGecko. CoinGecko goes into scramble mode in order to try to clarify a fake token listing controversy. The article posted yesterday on Crypto.news was titled, CoinGecko Denies Fake Screenshots Alleging Racist Token Listing. The key takeaways from the article? CoinGecko definitely had an oops moment. They had to clear up some confusion when a token with a bad name got listed because, well, anyone can suggest new tokens. Community power. It's all about the community with these platforms. They decide what gets listed, but sometimes that can lead to big mix-ups. So what can we expect? CoinGecko might need to start checking new tokens a bit more before listing them to avoid future slip-ups. This shows that open platforms can be tricky, and they might need to find a balance between freedom and control. Sound familiar? It's a view we may all need to adopt around other areas. This one may be a bit sensitive to some, so feel free to check out the article for yourself. I can't say the name of the token here, but let's just say it kind of rhymes with bigger butt. The next big story is the one of Trump meeting with the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. There's a few articles floating around about this one, but I'll show you the one at thecryptobasic.com. The key takeaways? Rumors have it that President-elect Donald Trump sat down with the CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, and suddenly everyone's talking about a potential buyout of Bakkt. It's like watching two chess masters play, except we're all guessing the next move from the audience. This has got everyone from crypto enthusiasts to financial analysts playing detective, trying to piece together what this means for the market. What can we expect? If Coinbase snaps up Bakkt, it's like the big fish in the pond are getting even bigger. This could simplify things for users, but might also mean fewer choices. If this happens, the crypto world might see more of these strategic alliances or acquisitions, reshaping who the future big players are in crypto. This is something definitely worth keeping an eye on. And now we go on to NPC's KuCoin victory lap. The key takeaways? NPC has been crowned the community's darling, getting listed on KuCoin after a popularity contest. It's like winning prom king or queen in the crypto high school. Sure, it started with a laugh, but NPC's got some utility, making it more than just a meme coin with a catchy name. So what can we expect from this community win? With the community behind it, NPC could go from zero to hero, potentially hitting that mythical billion-dollar mark. But remember, in crypto, today's hero can be tomorrow's zero. Investor caution warning, this might be a lesson for investors. Even tokens that start as jokes can have serious growth potential, but they're still as volatile as a teenager's mood swings. This next one has been in the news for a bit, but discussions still press on. I mean, it's the $36 trillion debt hump, so how can we not bring it up? Key takeaways? The US national debt has climbed over $36 trillion, like it's trying to touch the sky. Elon Musk is tweeting about it like he's the town crier for the digital age. We love you, Elon. With all this debt, some folks are looking at Bitcoin like it's the crypto equivalent of canned goods in a doomsday scenario. So what can we expect? The debt might drive more people to crypto as a hedge against economic instability. It's like if your house is on fire, you might invest in fireproof materials. Keep an eye on how Trump tackles this debt. It could have ripple effects on crypto markets, possibly making them even more attractive. Next we have Aptos, APT, and the emoji craze. The key takeaways. Aptos introduced emojicoin.fun where you can play with NFTs using emojis. It's like if your iPhone got into crypto trading. More use means more demand for APT, which is why its price is going up faster than a trending hashtag. Is it just me, or when I see APT, all I hear is The expectations for Aptos? If emojis become the new NFTs, APT might just keep rising. Imagine your smiley face making you money. This could inspire a wave of similar fun accessible platforms, making crypto feel less like rocket science and more like playing with digital stickers. On to some Solana related news. Bonk hits new all-time high, even beating Bitcoin in volume. The key takeaways? For a moment in time, Bonk, a dog-themed meme coin from Solana, had more trading volume than Bitcoin on Coinbase. It's like the underdog, pun intended, taking the spotlight from the heavyweight champ. What can we expect? Bonk's shine could be a fleeting moment, but it shows how unpredictable and fun the crypto market can be. This might indicate that even amidst the big players, there's room for the fun and games of meme coins, reflecting a lighter side to investment. God, I love crypto. And moving on with more Solana news, Solana's NFT surges. The key takeaways? Solana's NFT market is booming, giving Ethereum a run for its money. It's like the new kid on the block outperforming the veteran at the talent show. So why Solana? It's faster and cheaper, making it the preferred stage for creators and collectors looking to avoid Ethereum's ridiculously high fees. What can we expect from all this? Solana's momentum could continue, potentially leading to a more diverse and competitive NFT ecosystem. Ethereum's response? Ethereum might need to step up its game or risk losing more ground in the NFT arena to platforms like Solana. Number 9. Grayscale to launch Bitcoin ETF options following BlackRock's record debut. The key takeaways? Grayscale Investments is setting the stage to introduce options trading for its Bitcoin ETFs, namely the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust (GBTC) and Bitcoin Mini Trust (BTC). This move comes hot on the heels of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT making a splash in the options trading scene. BlackRock's IBIT has just had a blockbuster debut in options trading with nearly $2 billion traded on its first day. This has created quite the buzz, pushing Bitcoin to new all-time highs. Grayscale aims to leverage this newfound investor interest in Bitcoin options to further develop the ecosystem around our US-listed Bitcoin ETPs. And they're essentially looking to ride the wave that BlackRock started. The high trading volume of BlackRock's options, with a significant ratio of call options to put options, indicates strong market optimism for Bitcoin's price increase. This enthusiasm is what Grayscale is hoping to tap into. So what can we expect? By introducing options, Grayscale expects to enhance liquidity for their ETFs, providing investors with more tools for hedging, income generation, or speculation. It's like adding more games to the casino floor to keep the patrons interested. This move could attract a new segment of investors who are interested in options trading but were waiting for a familiar name like Grayscale to enter the space. It's akin to a popular restaurant starting to serve cocktails. Suddenly, it attracts a whole new crowd. With BlackRock setting a high bar, Grayscale's entry into options trading might push both companies to innovate further, potentially leading to more sophisticated financial products within the crypto space. It could become a race to see who can offer the best or most diverse set of financial tools. Given the recent regulatory green light for Bitcoin ETF options, there's an expectation for more clarity or perhaps even more products in this space. However, this also means regulators might keep a closer eye on how these options markets develop, ensuring that the Wild West days of crypto are behind us. And number 10 to top off today's list is why is Dogecoin price up today? The key takeaways? Dogecoin's price has gone up because Donald Trump won the election and the crypto community is throwing a speculative party. It's like when your favorite team wins and suddenly everyone starts believing in miracles. Elon Musk, the unofficial Doge father, has been tapped to lead a new government efficiency department, DOGE. When Elon's involved, Dogecoin investors get as excited as kids on Christmas morning. Social media platforms are buzzing with Dogecoin like it's the latest viral challenge. The community's chatter translates to real-world buying, pushing the price up. There's this pattern that traders see where Dogecoin seems to bounce back like a rubber ball after a dip. It's like the crypto version of deja vu. Large investors, or whales, have been buying up Dogecoin like it's going out of style. When these big players move, the market often follows like a school of fish. Traders are looking at charts and seeing signs that Dogecoin might keep climbing. So what can we expect from this Doge explosion? If the buzz around Elon Musk and Trump's crypto-friendly policies keeps growing, Dogecoin might just keep riding the wave. However, after such a steep rise, some investors might decide it's time to cash in their chips, which could lead to a correction. The mood around Dogecoin is pretty upbeat right now, but the crypto world is fickle. One tweet from Elon or a policy shift could send it swinging in another direction. If Dogecoin can break through its historical resistance, we might see it go even higher. Traders are watching this with an eagle eye. Dogecoin's fate is closely tied to its community's energy. If the community keeps rallying, so might the price. Despite the optimism, there's always the risk of a pullback. After all, what goes up must come down, or at least take a breather, in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow for another round of the top 10 TLDR crypto news reports from around the globe.